All right. Good. I guess it would be late afternoon. Late afternoon. It's 5 o'clock. It is May 25th, 2021. It is Tuesday, and it is vlog 96. Yep. And yeah, it's kind of crazy sometimes coming off vacation. I think our vacation was too short. We need to go back on another one. So it's kind of funny. Carrie's been planning one. So, but yeah. Let's tune up. Always good. Actually, I just got done playing with Hadley on our Zoom call. That was pretty cool. I haven't seen her in a couple weeks, and she's been doing pretty good. She actually, wow, she played at her school in front of all her peers, which was pretty awesome. I think that's like super cool. Today is gonna be kind of short. To yesterday, I did a long vlog. My vlog was like an hour long, so I had to edit that. But yesterday I was not feeling it at all. I was just like after vacation blues, I guess. Was that what you would call it? I don't know. Just basically chilled out. One thing, remember to clean your water bottle. I had to throw one away because it was weird, and I had been drinking out of it for a while. I just got a new one, but it got dirty, and I didn't clean the cap. I didn't even think to clean the cap, but it got all messed up, and yeah, I think it was messing me up. So clean your water bottle if you have it. This is my new one. It's kind of cool. I like it. Dun, 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 dun. It's pretty. It has like a self. I don't have to take off a cap, so now I just do that, which is really cool. Contigo, insulated, 24 ounce, Amazon. Let's see. Yeah, yesterday it took me a little bit to edit the vacation because I had like a week's. I took footage all week, so I just put it all in one. It should be fun. Actually, but yesterday I did have acai bowls for lunch. We went over to True Nature, and then olives for dinner. Carrie wasn't feeling good, so I got her some soup. And yeah, that's all we did was like chilled out. And I'm trying to catch up on stuff on work. Today I went to DII for a little bit to film with Dave. Also saw Joy and them, and Joy and Brian Aya, and we were talking about how to use the ukulele in their sound bath, which is pretty cool, or how to play together with the handpan, and we were just going over a few things, it was fun. We had a good time, and now I'm here. Had Hadley lesson, and now I'm here. So actually, I'm just gonna make this a short log. Actually, look at that, 3 minutes. It's kind of crazy. A short log. I have to work on some stuff today. Actually, I was doing. Oh, I have to upload all the footage that I filmed today. I'm kind of doing a list right now for all the 100-dayers. It's kind of crazy. The 100-day ooksters, because I wanted to see how many, completed their thing within the time. And right now, I haven't gone through the whole list, but what I saw on Facebook, I'm up to 60. Yeah, there's 60 or more. So that completed it on that day. So I'm going to check some more and see what happens. So, wow, pretty crazy. There's a lot of people that did it. And my goal is to hopefully contact a few and see, or get a hold of them, and I want to interview them. I want to interview and see how they felt, what they did, what they learned, all that other stuff. So that's 60 people. That's kind of crazy. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. 62 minute. God, that'd be like 60 minutes on each person. Wow. Yeah, we will see what happens. But other than that, this week we're kind of busy. And, I'm just trying to get my head straight because there's a lot of stuff happening and all these changes that are happening with the COVID stuff and planning for the summer because I know we're going to do more events and stuff like that. But actually, I didn't do the weather today. Let me do the weather. Whee! Actually, it was warm today. I was like, wow. Weather for today. Let's see. iPhone. Bam. That's not it. That's not it. What's up here, dude? Where is my iPhone? Plugged in. Plugged in. See. My phone isn't plugged in. What the heck? Oh well, I guess we get no weather today. But it was nice today. It was 70 all day. It's still 70 right now, and it's 5:55. I don't know what happened. Oh wait, there we go. I got it finally. Here it comes. There it is. Weather for today, 70. Bang. I think it's going to be that way all week. It should be cool. Sunny Southern California. That's what it's all about. Birthdays today. Let's see if there's any birthdays. Birthdays. Nope. None on my list. Oh well. But trying to think of what I learned today. Actually, I keep talking about the 4 principles, and I did it again today. And actually, I'm learning more about like sound baths and the goals and how it helps people. And yeah, I'm coming up with a program to do some cool stuff. And that's going to be fun because I think coming during the summer, we'll do some like sound baths or, stuff like that at Dave's Island with a good intention and yeah, just good stuff. It's going to be cool. And that's one of the things I've been planning. There's a lot of stuff I've been doing. So a lot of thinking, and it's good. Keeps you young, right? But for the rest of the week, tomorrow, I think we have an appointment. We have a bunch of stuff we're going to be doing. I'm going to be editing some videos and stuff like that. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. But today is May 25th. It's 2021. It is Tuesday. This is Vlog 96. And that's all I have for us, or for me today. And like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. I'll see you tomorrow.